In this video, I'm going to use a text from grade 8 to show you how to after read informative text properly. The purpose of after reading is to learn everything that is new to you. Yes, everything that is new to you. How do you after read that? You learn about writing and language by reading the text word by word from the first one to the last one, including the questions and choices section. Let's look at how we learn about writing first. You examine the structure, identify topic sentence and transitions. The text example is Grow Your Own Garden. This text is a typical informative essay. It has three components: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Let's examine the introduction in details so that when it comes to time that you need to write your own informative essay, you know exactly how to write a good quality introduction. The first thing is a good hook that brings in the topic and at the same time captures a reader's attention. The most important part of any introduction is the thesis statement, which is the last sentence in the introduction. If the hook and the thesis statement connect well, then you don't need anything in between. But most of the time, you need to add background information to link the hook to the thesis statement. In our example, growing a garden is fun. Whether your garden takes up a corner of your yard or a corner of a window sill, it's easy to be successful by following a few simple guidelines. They do not connect well, so the background information is needed. Next, let's examine the body. It's important to identify the topic sentence of each body paragraph, if there is one. You learn how the author used the topic sentence to indicate or summarize what each body paragraph is about. Lastly, the conclusion. In the conclusion, the author either summarizes the body paragraphs or restate the thesis statement. In our example, it summarizes the body paragraphs. The third aspect of writing is the transitions. Transitions are used to link the paragraphs and the sentences within each paragraph. You can see every single paragraph had some transitions. In our example text, first, once, and after are transitions used to link paragraphs, and the rest of the transitions are used in each individual paragraph to link sentences within a paragraph. Next, let's examine language. Basically, we are looking at 6 different items: new words, new phrases, new sentences, topic vocabulary, academic words, and new grammar. First, new words. And if you want to learn how to learn a new word, please watch the video How to Learn a New Word. And new phrases. And new sentence. So this is a new sentence. Okay, when we say new, that means you haven't read this type of sentence or haven't written this type of sentence. Then it's called a new sentence. So the topic vocabulary of this text is about gardening. So then you will see different types of words that are related to the topic of gardening: nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. The next is academic words. So in our example, they use place instead of put in the sentence. So place is an academic word. And in the text, they do not use contractions. Lastly is grammar. So when we talk about grammar, basically you're looking for patterns. Okay, look, when you look at these two sentences, both of sentences start with when, and after when you use a ing verb. And at the end of the clause, there is a comma, and then the beginning of the next clause is a verb-based form. So then this is the pattern. When you look at these sentences, all these four sentences start with an action verb-based form. So we call this type of sentence imperative sentence. For after reading, you need to look at the question and choice section too. This is the example. When you look at the choices of this question, you see all of them start with a verb. So we call this to plus verb base form infinitive. And they are used to express the purpose or why. If you have formed the habit of after reading and know what to look for, you will improve your English reading and writing immensely soon. Try after read using the strategies that you learned from this video and let me know how you make leaps and bounds in English. Thank you for watching.